Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. So today I finally have some time to go ahead and install my tank back onto the Supra, and I'm excited because not only am I going to install the tank and I have everything that I need, but I thought I lost this piece, and this is the special cover that covers the inlet area of the tank here. Now there's also another cover that's supposed to go along the bottom side, but when I removed the tank the first time, it did not have that cover. Toyota doesn't make it anymore, so I didn't even bother looking for one. I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna be able to find one, so I'm just gonna run it like that. For now, I'm gonna get started on this, and then you guys can be able to see that process. Look at it. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Oh my god, that was such a battle, guys. It was a battle to get it to I would say smoothly go into place. Also, I kept kind of forgetting what bracket went on what side, so then I had to kind of keep going back and forth with that, and then I had to keep adjusting the levelers just to get like the right angle, so then the brackets actually hook on, and then I'm actually able to bolt them into place. So I'm glad that went pretty smooth. I mean, for the most part, I was able to get it done in a timely manner, and there is still daylight, so I'm still able to configure the lines. And the only thing is that I probably should have already ran the line in the fitting and left it on top of the tank while I was bringing it up, but there is a possibility that it was just not really going to be able to like fit. So I am going to run the lines. They're going to come down towards this space right here, this little gap. You're curious to see the fuel filter that I am running. If you guys don't remember, OEM. So OEM fuel filter is what I'm going to be using for this application. Beautiful. it's time to go ahead and install the lines. work is not done yet. It's not done. I almost forgot the most important part. It's now time to install this charcoal canister filter and finalize this process. guys, there we have it. It came out so good. I'm so excited because it actually came out like really nice. It came out better than I expected. Of course, I go into a lot of the things that I do without any expectations, but this is definitely something that came out really nice, and I'm glad that I was able to already work with the holes that are pre-existing underneath the body, and it's beautiful. So I concluded my work for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Any questions, concerns, or comments, leave them down below, and we'll see each other in the next episode. Bye.